Welcome back to L&A Accounting Channel. Today we're discussing an important topic that can affect many taxpayers: claiming car expenses. If you use your vehicle for work-related purposes, you may be able to claim deductions for the expenses you incur, such as fuel, maintenance, and insurance. However, it's important to understand when you can't claim these expenses to avoid tax compliance issues. So, let's dive in. When can you claim car expenses? Meet Alice, a sales representative who travels to visit clients using her own car. Alice can claim car expenses because she uses her car for work-related purposes. As a general rule, if you use your car for work-related activities, you may be able to claim deductions for the expenses you incur. How can you claim car expenses? There are two methods you can use to claim car expenses: the cents per kilometer method or the logbook method. The cents per kilometer method is the easiest one to use, as you only need to keep records of the number of kilometers you have driven for work purposes. You can claim up to 5,000 kilometers per car per year under this method. On the other hand, the logbook method requires you to keep a logbook of your car's business use for a minimum of 12 continuous weeks. You can then claim the percentage of expenses related to your work use. This method can be more beneficial for those who drive a lot for work, as you can claim more deductions. When can't you claim car expenses? It's important to note that there are situations when you can't claim car expenses. For instance, whether your vehicle is a car or other vehicle, you generally can't claim the cost of expenses you incur for travel between your home and your regular place of work. Your regular place of work is the normal or usual place where you start and finish your work duties. You incur these expenses to put you in the position to earn your income. This is considered private travel, even if you either use your car to carry bulky tools or equipment to and from work, or are required to be on call. Examples of claiming car expenses. Let's see some examples of how to claim car expenses. Meet Sarah, a delivery driver who uses her car to make deliveries. Sarah can claim car expenses using the cents per kilometer method. She drove 3,000 kilometers for work purposes during the year, so she can claim a deduction of 72 cents per kilometer, which comes out to $2,160. Now, let's meet John, a real estate agent who uses his car to show properties to clients. John can claim car expenses using the logbook method. His logbook shows that he used his car for work purposes 60% of the time. He incurred $10,000 in car expenses during the year, so he can claim a deduction of $6,000. In conclusion, it's essential to understand when you can and can't claim car expenses to avoid tax compliance issues. If you use your car for work-related activities, keep accurate records, and follow the rules to maximize your deductions and reduce your tax liability. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.